The following question was asked in the UPSC Civil Services Preliminary Examination 2025 under the General Studies Paper 1 section. With reference to the planet Earth, consider the following statements. Rainforests produce more oxygen than that produced by oceans. Marine phytoplankton and photosynthetic bacteria produce about 50% of the world's oxygen. Well-oxygenated surface water contains several folds higher oxygen than that in atmospheric air. Let's break it down. Statement 1 says that rainforests produce more oxygen than oceans. This is incorrect. While rainforests do produce oxygen through photosynthesis, most of it is consumed again by plant respiration and decomposition. In contrast, oceans, specifically marine phytoplankton, are responsible for about 50% of Earth's oxygen production. So, oceans contribute more, not less. Statement 2 says marine phytoplankton and photosynthetic bacteria produce about 50% of the world's oxygen. This is correct. Organisms like Prochlorococcus, Synechococcus, and diatoms carry out photosynthesis in oceans, releasing a massive amount of oxygen. Some estimates credit Prochlorococcus alone for 20% of Earth's oxygen. So this statement is factually accurate. Statement 3 says well-oxygenated surface water contains several folds higher oxygen than atmospheric air. This is incorrect. In fact, it's the opposite. Oxygen concentration in air is far higher than in water. At 20 degrees Celsius, air contains roughly 276 milligrams per liter, while fully saturated water holds about 9 milligrams per liter. So, even well-oxygenated water has far less oxygen than air. Therefore, correct answer is option B, 2 only. Additional insights. Marine organisms, especially phytoplankton, are the lungs of the planet. Oceans also play a crucial role in carbon sequestration, helping trap CO. Common oxygen-producing microorganisms include Prochlorococcus, Synechococcus, Trichodesmium, diatoms, dinoflagellates. Understanding their role is crucial for climate stability, biodiversity, and ecosystem health. Interestingly, a similar question on oceanic food chains and primary producers was asked in the UPSC Civil Services Preliminary Examination 2021, asking which organisms are primary producers in ocean food chains. The correct answer was cyanobacteria and diatoms. Both are photosynthetic and form the base of marine food webs.